crazy.
Give me hell yeah!
What do you think he's doing?
Maybe we knocked his brains loose or something.
But he came back.
And he brought a bear.
Look out! Stay in the woods where you belong!
Hey, Vincent! You were right. With a Spuddy, enough just isn't enough.
I say!